Here I am at 214 Beaumont Heights. I know you said you were a bit concerned about whether or not you would be moving to the ghetto, so let me just walk down the street a bit here so you can see kind of the character of the neighborhood. There's a gate back there. I wonder where that goes. Got a basketball hoop. Let's see. Looks like most folks are keeping their grass cut pretty well. There's a sidewalk here. At the front of this little subdivision, they've got a nice big sign and some bushes, and I don't know if you can see that super well. I got trees. That's the entrance there, and then that's Williamson Road. And then going back this way, and you actually walk on the sidewalk. I was just standing on the grass. Alright. Got a bus. That's a nice car. And here's your neighbor. There is Oakland Hills Drive. Oh man, they got a lot of cars there. Alright. And then there's Royal Oaks Drive up there. I think I showed a house there a couple months ago. I could use some facial work on that one. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call it ghetto. Hope that eases your mind a bit. I know people have concerns like that, especially moving somewhere where you haven't been before or out of state. So, oh, okay. Maybe this one's vacant. Looks like the mailbox fell off. Yeah. But I'm going to end this part of the video, and then I'm going to show you the inside of the house. Alright, Rochelle, here we go. We're going to go check out the inside of 214 Beaumont Heights. Alright. So here we are in the front portion. We've got the garage here. It's a two-car garage. As you can see, there's your water heater in the corner. Let me try to get closer to that. There you go. Alright, there's an outlet on that wall right there. Here's your Chamberlain lift master. Alright. Then, right next to your garage, you've got your laundry room. So there's your washer and dryer hookup. Got a bit of shelf space there. Alright, and then straight ahead, we've got a closet. Looks like it's fallen from that top portion. Oh, I'm so sorry. the light is not on. There you go. So yeah, it looks like it fell off that top part there, and then they have screwed it back down here, but it looks slightly crooked, but still usable. All right, then we have the kitchen. Got a kitchen and a dining area over here with the chandelier. Take a look on this side. Here's your pantry. Uh-oh, something got stuck. Oh, yeah, with these types of doors, the little ball often gets kind of stuck up there. Let's see, there you go. How many shelves is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 shelves. All right, and then we've got the cabinetry. And then here's your stove. There's the sink. There's the dishwasher. All right. I think this is this where you put the refrigerator maybe? Oh no, over there. That's where the refrigerator goes. Whoops. I'm kind of tall. I bumped my head. All right, so there's where the refrigerator goes. All right, and then you come out to this side. Oh, sounds like the garbage truck's here. All right, come out this side. I apologize for my phone is not focusing correctly. There we go. All right, so here is the living area. It's pretty big, decent size. There is your thermostat, Honeywell Home. Looks like a wood-burning fireplace. All right, and we'll take a look out the back in a moment, but let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, first here on the left, we have the master bedroom. About 6 paces. All right. And here is the bathroom. You've got double sinks, so 2 right there. There's your toilet. You have this beautiful garden tub here. Spacious walk-in closet. Looks like they put some supports up there, so I know I like to stuff my closets full with just tons of clothes, so definitely need those supports. All right, there's some more right there. And then on this side, we've got a stand-up shower. So if you just need a shower, there you go. If you just need a bath, there you go. All right. Continuing on, here is your attic access right there. There's another closet here, 4 shelves. Oh, that goes in kind of deep there. Okay. Yeah, I can touch it, but it's a stretch. All right, and then this next room here, we've got another bedroom. You know, overall, from what I'm seeing so far, you know, you can tell it's been vacant for a bit. It's had its better days, but I mean, still certainly usable. And you know, I kind of expected that. The owner says they haven't been in it for 9 months, so let's see. There's another bedroom. Closet. All right, and then we have the bathroom. So it looks like they have like a place almost maybe to put a stool. So if you're doing, you know, like makeup or something. Sink, toilet. Looks like the Yeah, that's a little loose. I would probably get that refastened or get another toilet seat. All right, then we've got shower and tub. Oh, what's that? I actually don't know what that is. If you know what that is, please let me know. And then we've got the outlet there. All right. Moving on to the exterior, let's take a look in the backyard. All right. You can see we have the backyard. There's a deck out here. It's not in too bad of a shape, actually. Just looking at it. There's my weight fine. I mean, it doesn't look like it was painted recently, but it doesn't look like it was painted a decade ago. Alright, and then we've got your gutters here. And you can see the exterior, the back side of the roof. Let's see. I don't see any missing shingles or anything, so that's a good sign. Oh, here's the chimney for the fireplace there. You can see that. Alright, and then you have a bit of woods in the back. I like that. It makes kind of like a buffer zone to distance you from kind of like the traffic and things. Alright, and then on this side of the home, we have a few bushes. There's your garden hose hookup. Siding doesn't look too bad. Alright, we're back to the front of the home. Let's check out this other side. On the other side here, we've got some bushes, so it's kind of hard to see what the bottom of that looks like over there. There's your electrical meter, you know, your Cox Communications and telephone service stuff. Looks like they have a DirecTV satellite hooked up. So if you wanted to use a DirecTV, then that's available to you. Alright, and then we have a Grand Air heating and cooling system. Let's see, when was this installed? Manufacture date, January 2020. So this is a relatively new unit, so that's a good sign. Alright. There's this side of the roof. I see some white spots on a few of those there. I'm not sure what causes that. I'll have to ask the inspector if that's a concern or not, but yep. Overall, decent house. Clearly it's been vacant for a while. It's clearly been used, but I think it'll do you right, and let me know what you think. I'll talk to you later.